these two functions, f of x and g of x. And we're asked to find the point of intersection using a TI-89 calculator. I only have a TI-83 simulator, but hopefully that'll be similar to the TI-89. Here are the answers, which this picture came from a graph on Desmos. F of x is this upward opening parabola, and g of x is this linear function, and the points of intersection look like they're about 0.715, 1.642. Here's more precise answers for f of a and f of b. There's your a, there's your b. But you want to know how to do this on TI. So let's see, I've got to turn, I think it's on. What you want to do is go to y equals, and I've actually already typed in the functions, but let me clear these and start over so you can see it happening. So if I want to type 1/7 x squared, it's a good idea to put fractions in parentheses. 1 divided by 7 is your fraction. And then we're going to multiply that by x squared. There's the x squared button. We want to subtract 2x minus 2x and then plus 3. Plus 3. Hit enter, and you've got that function entered. Now we want to do -1/2 x, so I'll put a little minus sign on here, parentheses, 1 divided by 2, end of parentheses, x, and then a plus 2. Now I click the zoom button, which is going to bring you to the graph. I'm just going to say, use option number 1 and hope that the points of intersection appear. So there's the graph of the parabola. There's the graph of the linear function. And it looks like the points of intersection are on the screen, so I don't have to zoom in or zoom out. And here's what you do. We want to get to this calc menu right here. So I hit second trace, which is really calc. I'll go down here to option 5 to find intersection points. And what we want to do is get this cursor close to the point of intersection. It's pretty close right now, but point of intersection is just a little bit to the right. So I want to get as little closer. And once you're pretty close, you hit enter 3 times. 1, 2, they're taking a guess. And there you've got it, 0.71541071 is, there it is, 0.715411 rounded to 6 decimal places. And there's a 1.64 for f of a, 1.6422. Okay, now how do you get the second point of intersection? Well, you do the same thing. You hit second calc, go down to 5 for intersect, and now let's move the cursor down towards that second point of intersection by clicking the right arrow, because the intersection point is to the right of where the cursor is right now. And once I get pretty close, I'll hit enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And there's a 9.7845. That's this a value right here. Whoops. Here, and the -2.89. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.